So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing good. So guys, in this video I will let you know that how you can use web activity. Okay, how you will use. Firstly, I'm going to create a new pipeline. Okay, here you have to search web. Okay, now drag and drop. So web. Okay, here you can see, let me collapse these all things. Here you can see this is a web activity. Okay, how you can use and why we are using web activity. Like we have an data in this format. Okay, here you can see, you can read this format. It's very difficult to for human to read this format and understand which type of data is here. Okay, so this is a dummyjson.com. So guys, what I will do, I will copy this data using web activity. Okay, let's see. In a setting you can see URL option. So what you will do, you will copy this URL and paste it here. Simple, it's too simple. Okay, now there is a option of method. A method, what you are doing, you are getting data na, right? So click on get. Okay, simple, it's too simple. Now you have to debug this. You can see it is running. This is very simple and easy. Okay, now you can see this has been succeeded. Okay, now I will click on the output and maximizing this. This format human is easily understand. Okay, like this. Here you can see products, ID, one, title. What is this? You are not able to understand. Here you can understand products. Okay, product is table name. Okay, then ID is column name, one is row. Okay, title, and a title you can see this is put, and description, this is a description, in price this is price, discount percentage, rating, stock, tax. Okay, so this data is in a key and value format. Okay, so guys, this is all about for this video. I hope that you can understand how to use web activity. So guys, we will meet in next video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.